My PopMart order is finally here. This is an order that I placed over a month ago and it just arrived, so I am very excited. We're going to unbox it together. But before we get started, if you're new here, hello, I'm Fabiola. I love creating all kinds of pink and girly videos. If that's something you like and are into, make sure to click the subscribe button down below, push the bell notification, and follow me on my Instagram. That being said, let's go ahead and get started. I was freaking out because I only got one item out of the 3 things that I ordered, but the mailman actually came back and delivered a second package. Thank goodness. That has happened to me before. I placed an order at PopMart and for some reason it just got lost somewhere in transit and it ended up taking more than a month. So I'm glad this is not the case. It was just a different package. So PopMart came up with a new collection with the Crybaby series called Shiny Shiny, and I ended up ordering 3 items from that collection that I can't wait to show you. So the first thing is this beautiful plush doll, which is actually way bigger than I expected. When I saw the box, it was a huge box. That's why I thought all my items were in that box. And when I opened it, it was only this one, which makes total sense because it is huge. I thought this was going to be like a small, like plush doll, but it's actually big. But I am beyond thrilled with it. She is gorgeous. This one is the Crybaby Shiny Shiny Plush Doll Pink. She also comes in a black tutu outfit, but this one here is just so pretty. Oh my goodness. She is adorable. Beside the Labubus, I am obsessed with the Crybabies, and this is definitely like adorable. So we're going to take her out. So let's take her out of the box. I don't know yet if I should leave her in the box for display or if I should just keep her out. Oh, this is so cute. So it does have a little like card in here. This is so pretty. It's adorable. Even the box is extra shiny. Oh, she's gorgeous. I'm obsessed. Look how pretty it is. It has like a little pearl necklace with the tutu and it has shoes. Okay, this is adorable with the bunny ears and it's like super fluffy. Here's the back. Very squishy. I should have also gotten the other one. I only ended up getting this one. But the black one is also so pretty. It has like a black tutu with the same pearl necklace. I'll link it right here so you can see it, but it is so pretty. Okay, I love it. It's definitely very cute. So that was the first item I ordered. The next thing I got is what came in a separate package, and it's right here. The Crybaby Shiny Shiny Earphone case. Look how cute, and it has little eyelashes. All right, this is adorable. Hopefully my earbuds fit in here. It's so soft. It's like this really nice soft silicone case. Look at the eyelashes. The eyelashes crack me up. It reminds me of me because I don't go anywhere without my lashes. It's pretty spacious. I'm already displaying them right there. Okay, so this last one is the one that I am most excited for because this one here is a keychain. This one is the Crybaby Shiny Shiny Plush Pendant Blister Pack. It's a little plush Crybaby and it is a keychain. Oh my goodness. Okay, she is adorable. And she has hair clips in the back. Wait, are these working hair clips? They are. They are working hair clips. It's like a ballerina. She has a tutu. Her hands are movable so you can lift them up. So pretty. I am obsessed with this cute little keychain. I am obsessed with the Crybabies. My daughter does not like them. She thinks they're ugly. But I think they're really cute. They're like little crying, whiny babies. I think we all have a little bit of whiny baby in us. And I just think they are incredibly cute. And I love collecting them. So this is definitely going to go in one of my purses. I'm just a little concerned about the hair. The hair is like extra fuzzy, and I don't know if like from rubbing on my purse, if the hair is just going to go like everywhere, like fly away, but I'm obsessed. If you like crybabies, let me know in the comments down below. But like I said, I am obsessed with crybabies and Labubus. Of course, Labubus are like my #1, but these are just so cute. Those are the 3 items that I ended up getting from PopMart. I waited so long. It must have actually been a little over a month, to be honest with you. But anyway, this is what I ordered. I really hope you loved today's video. I love you all so much. I hope you all have an incredible rest of your week, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.